Hey guys, you want viral special Holi photos editing? Please like, share and subscribe to this channel. Please watch video till end. First we open Google Gemini application, click on Create Image option. Open Gallery and choose one photo as you like. Then paste prompt in a box and click Send button. And wait for a second, your viral Holi photos are ready. Similarly, you can try all prompts one by one. And don't forget to subscribe